We're taking a break now. 300 kilometers done, 300 more to go. Yeah, it's going on pretty smoothly. Me and Kaka are on intercom and we are singing songs like Weird. I believe I can fly. Pratik has cold. Yeah, it's like an exhibition. Paramotoring. Oh my god, man! Good morning from Run of Kutch. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The time is around 6:30 in the morning and the temperature is 9 degrees. 9. We have a ride of around 607 kilometers today. As usual, not a big deal for a Thunderbird 350. We gotta leave fast. We are just packing right now. We just checked out of the room. Need to tie the bungee cords and the saddle bags and but yeah, it's pretty cold.
Not pretty cool, pretty cold.
Pretty cold and then Kivyag barsata bhai.
Your eardrums are playing drums.
We'll just finish our coffee. I will just pack up. I don't think I'll be mounting right now because it's pretty dark out here and you can't see shit. We are late. It's almost 7:15, 7:20 in the morning and the sun is almost rising. That's the moon over there and the sun is coming from this side. Let's go to the campfire one last time. Ooh, that was cold. Yeah, no, this is hot. The weather is cold. Goodbye, Rankhandi. Until next time. Anyways, the life is too short to go one place twice. Don't be like me, please. Nobody. Be like Kaka. We are going to Bhuj now, and from there Ahmedabad, and from there Statue of Unity. I hope to reach Statue of Unity, or else we have to go with Plan B. That is Vadodara, which is just like 90 kilometers away from Statue of Unity, but yeah, 600 kilometers.
Driving around in California, looking for something to make me stay. Round and round forever, searching for something that could never get replaced.
Just 96 kilometers from Rankhandi. We took our first break, fueled up, we are checking our tire pressures. After riding for 1600 kilometers for getting here, after we got into our bikes today, it feels like I'm back at home. I'm back on my bike, I'm back on my home, and yeah, let's just cruise. Yeah, we're just gonna drink some chai and we'll head to the road again.
Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be saved. I'm just so sick of waiting for any luck to come my way. Yeah.
After we cross the circle that comes across Bhuj, we are just figuring out which way to go because we are confused if this goes to Rajasthan or this goes to Ahmedabad. We have to go to Ahmedabad first before we can go to Vadodara or Statue of Unity. Pratik and Kaka are figuring it out. I can feel my hands again. It's so soothing.
सही में इतनी ठंडी में आपका कमाल है इधर की जो आपकी वो है ना एनर्जी वो थोड़ा
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू
हमने बुलेट चलाया पर इतना नहीं चलाया कभी आपके साथ।
लेट है बचपन से ही है ये भी है ड्यूक भी है बचपन से बहुत तो गाड़ी अलग ही है लेकिन इतना नहीं चला 1 2 3 बाइक है सर ये बाइक इधर लेना हाल से आप तीनों आपको ठीक है ना आप
ठीक है ठीक. Yeah, we traveled almost 240 kilometers. Got to have some breakfast now. There's Domino's, Brown Burger, has and also some waffles and stuff like that. So yeah, it's a pretty neat place. The one that I found the best near the best when I'm traveling in highway. Domino's, Brown Burger, and yeah, I gotta take some chikki before I go. Let's have some breakfast. I don't know where to eat yet. We need to eat quick because we still have at least 600 minus 250. We still have at least 350 kilometers to cover. We still have at least 350 kilometers to cover and we need to go as soon as possible. So yeah, let's eat and hit the roads again. It's 12:10. I don't know why people stare at us like that. You know, there's this level of embarrassment. This is the maximum level of embarrassment, okay? I'm at this level, so yeah, I don't get embarrassed that easy. I can dance like this and I wouldn't even give a fuck about what people would think.
Feel good, be good, stay good, and live good. If I could feel good, I'd live good, I'd die good.
We're taking a break now. 300 kilometers done, 300 more to go. Yeah, it's going on pretty smoothly. Me and Kaka are on intercom and we are singing songs like Aankhon mein Gustakhia. You know, this was the song that was stuck in our head. Like last night it was Kyon Na Hum Tum. Yeah, this is much better than that. So Ahmedabad, which is around 80 to 90 kilometers from here, or 100 kilometers, 110 kilometers from here. Funny story, I thought my bike was getting shut down. I thought my bike was getting shut down, but apparently when I was putting the brakes on the front, I accidentally turned off the ignition. So yeah, funny story. Thank you.
I'm an odd person, I run in dark circles. I would love a long life, cause I love how life's worthless. But I know I could lose it all if I'm not careful. I sound scared, hope you feel that my heart's there though.
Okay, we have completed almost 411 kilometers from Kutch and we still have 200 kilometers left. We're gonna take a short break now or we're gonna have a lunch. I don't know that properly. We also have a Viva. Yeah, also good news. We completed 2000 kilometers, like totally. Complete ride to 1000 kilometers. I think there's at least 1500 kilometers left. But yeah, 2000 is a big thing, so 2K. I'm gonna take a break. Yeah, I'm gonna take a break. We just finished our lunch, also had to attend our Viva. It's almost 5 o'clock and yeah, we still have 200 kilometers to go. It's getting a little over sunny now.
Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be saved. I'm just so sick of waiting for any luck to come my way. Yeah. Feel good, be good, stay good, live good.
BRG Statue of Unity stay, budget stay it's called. We just got here to the restaurant to eat something. We just checked into our hotel. Bikes are parked outside. We'll just have some food. Restaurant's gonna be closed in like what, 15 more minutes. Yeah, let's give you a room tour before it gets messy this time. So okay, this is how the room looks like. This is the triple sharing bedroom and 1, 2, 3. So there's a TV, there's no AC in our room and there's a cupboard, there's a TV and yeah, I think there's a pretty schemy view over there. Okay, we'll just unpack now, get changed, get freshened up, get rid of all of this, fix all of this. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for making me a part of your day. My name is Bhatta. Welcome to the family. Adios.
Bitches on my dick cause a boy so mysterious. That's a mystery. Thoughts making history. Wrist keeps spinning like a fucking rotisserie.